Okay, today I will show you how to run a PBMK test, which is another version of modified Mann-Kendall test. This is a pre-whitening bias corrected modified Mann-Kendall. So you see, like I said before, there is many type of variation of modified Mann-Kendall. If you go to the literature, there is a lot of study that they try to modify Mann-Kendall test so that the result will be more reliable. So because the data set, they have this very high variability, there is influence of large scale climate phenomena that we need to consider. So we need to do a pre-whitening first. So in this case, we do a PBMK test. We call it PBMK test, which is a pre-whitening bias corrected modify Mann-Kendall in R. So we will use a modify MK library. So let me share the screen first. I will share the entire screen. Okay, now let's look at the code. So we have pre-whitening bias corrected modify Mann-Kendall, which is PBMK test. So this is another version of modify Mann-Kendall. So we use modify MK library. If you don't have this library, you can install this one first. So this is library, install the library. And in this case, in some case you don't know how to install the library, you can just install .packages. It is case sensitive. Then follow each words that I use here for people who are dummy in R. So you can install packages and then modify mktest. You see, and then you run. You see, there's warning here. It said is in use. So I already installed it. I don't need to install it. But in for people doesn't install it, we can just click OK, and then it will install for you. Very easy. Now we set our working directory, which is our folder address. Folder address. This is folder address up here. Some people don't know what is the folder address. So this is what we call folder address. And then we have read our CSV dataset. We usually in R, for climate data or something like that, it's called big data. So usually we save it as CSV files. So it will look very simple, easy to get by using R. So this is our data that we have. This dataset actually we have. This is our data that we use that for all this trend analysis. We have CSDI extreme temperature dataset from 1950 to 2022. So we have year, month, and all the grid point of the CSDI dataset. So we have 28 grid point. We will run all of this grid point to see the trend from 1950 to 2022. Is it significantly positive or negative by using this PBMK test, pre-whitening bias corrected modified Mann-Kendall. So now we read the column to analyze, which is 3 to encoded, which means we will read 1, 2, 3 column until 28 just now. So all 28 grid point we will read in this case for trend analysis. So we read from 3 to encoded. So the result this is all the result from when we run PBMK test. So this is the function for modified MK test for PBMK. So when we run PBMK tests, we have many results that are corresponding to PBMK test. So we have the column, which is column of our result from of our grid CSDI from column number 3 until 30. And then we extract Z value, we will extract sand slope, we will extract S, we will extract P value, Kendall's tau value, we will extract BCP Z value, BCP sand slope value, BCP S, BCP Kendall taus, bootstrap P value, and trend label. We will give a trend directly. Because if we get all this result, what does that mean, right? We want to know, is it significantly positive or significantly negative? That's all we need. So I prepare trend level here to calculate, is it significantly positive or not, based on this PBMK test. PBMK test. So now we perform our PBMK test for I in sequence along column to analyze just now. Column to analyze, we will get the result by using PBMK function. So this is where we run our PBMK test for that call. So the result, we will have output where the result for column for Z value, sand slope, S, P, Kendall tau, BCP, Z value, BCP, sand slope, BCP S, BCP, Kendall tau, and bootstrap P value. Now, this is all corresponding to this empty data. so that we extract all of this result from 1, result 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 from PBMK test. Just now we get this value for all of this value, corresponding value. So now we determine trend level based on significant level. So we want if result DF is p-value is, we get the p-value here. If it is less than 0.05, so it will positive. Otherwise, it will be negative. And if the result doesn't show positive or negative, we label it as empty. So now we run the test for PBMK for CSDI. And we extract the result as CSV. Now let's run this test. Okay, empty column, just empty data frame first, and then we perform PBMK test. Just follow all of this code, write it down, and then we will run it. So just like I show you just before, some of the modified MK tests can take quite some time to run, and some of it can be quite fast. So it depends. But in this case, I see that this PBMK test can take quite some time. So I will just show you directly the result. So we have CSDI just now, right, for PBMK test. Okay, PBMK this test. So we will get this kind of result. So we have column 3 until 30 just now for all our grid point. Then we have Z values, sense slopes. You see, like I said before, some of it just show zero value because the sense slope is very small. It can be 0.000001, something like that. So it's show zero here. No need to concern about this one. And then we have say S value, P value, Kendall tau, BCP, Z value, BCP sense slope, BCPS, BCP, Kendall tau, bootstrap, P value, and then trend level. This is what important one. The trend level, I already calculate here which grid point is so positive or negative trend. So we see that column number 8 or column 14 and column 20, which is this grid point, so negative significant value. So these 3 grid points show there is a significantly negative CSDI value, extreme temperature in the state of Johor. So it's still running here. You see some modified MK library. It's like PBMK. It takes quite some time to run, but you can wait for this one later, and then you can run this code. It will still working, and it will show you this kind of result. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful to identify which trends show positive or negative significant trend. We prepare this trend level so that easy for you to get your output. And then the result for all this value for this PBMK test is still there. You can extract it if you think it's useful for you. But usually we have a very big grid data set. What is important is only trend level. And then the CSDI value, the original one, and we map it, and we'll see which area is so positive or negative trend. I think that's all for today. So you can write down this code so that you can get the output that you want based on this PBMK trend test. Thank you for watching.